All right, we used the flywheel puller to remove the flywheel. And you can see that's the key right there. And that small, there, it goes inside that little groove. Now, in order to get this nut off, you have to hold this, and then you can use an impact gun. Now there are special tools you can buy to hold this in place. I used a belt, I wrapped it around and held it. And with an impact gun it's pretty easy. You just hit it a couple times, it breaks loose. But bolt comes off and there's a washer under it, and then your flywheel comes off. And we will be removing this little key here and replacing it with our new key. Now something else I'd like to mention. There are two dowels, one here and one here, and sometimes these can pop out. Mine stayed in, but you need to make sure that they don't pop out and fall down in your engine. In fact, looking at it now, when I remove this cover, if this dowel pin popped out and went down in that hole there into the bottom end, I'd be in trouble. So now I'm thinking that leaning the bike over on its side might not be the greatest idea just because of those pins, but luckily they stayed in, so just make sure yours are still there, because if not, they could be down in your engine. Alright, next we're going to be removing this pin, putting in a new one, and then putting it all back together.